Topic name: Square butt joint on aluminium sheet 3 mm thick in flat position. OAW-20.
Hello students, in this session, we shall study square butt joints on an aluminium sheet 3 mm thick in a flat position. OAW-20. The objectives this session fulfills are: 1. Set the sheets with root gaps as per the drawing. 2. Select filler rod, gas nozzle, gas pressures, flux, and flame. 3. To tack weld, preheat the job. 4. To deposit a single run by using the leftward technique. 5. To inspect for weld defects. Tools commonly needed for the aluminium sheet welding process are mentioned below. 2. Argon gas cylinder and regulator. 3. Welding filler rods, aluminium. 4. Welding torch and collets. 5. Welding gloves and apron. 6. Welding helmet and eye protection. 7. Grinder or sander. 8. Wire brush. 9. Clamps and fixtures. 10. Cleaning solvents. Creating a square butt joint on a 3 mm thick aluminium sheet using the Oxy-Acetylene Welding OAW process in the flat position involves careful preparation and execution. Mentioned below are the main steps to be followed in the job sequence. 1. Prepare aluminium sheet as per dimension with square edges. 2. Clean the surface and edges of the sheets to remove the surface oxide and other impurities using. 3. Don't grind aluminium sheets in a grinding machine. 4. Apply the pasty flux on the butting edges. 5. Set the sheets with 1.5 mm root gap. Figure 1. 6. Fix nozzle number 5 on the blowpipe and adjust gas pressure of 0.15 kg per centimeter square for both gases. 8. Adjust a strict neutral flame. Figure 2. 9. Use silicon aluminium filler rod 3 mm and apply the pasty flux on the filler rods. 10. Tack weld at both ends of the joint and at the center. 11. Preheat the job to a temperature of 150 degrees to 180 degrees Celsius to reduce the effect of expansion during welding using the blowpipe flame itself. 12. Start welding by the leftward technique by holding the blowpipe at an angle of 40 degrees to 50 degrees and the filler rod at an angle of 30 degrees to 40 degrees. Figure 3. 13. Do not remove the filler rod end from the outer envelope of the flame till the welding is over. 14. Clean the weld by washing in a 10% sulfuric acid solution. 15. Again, wash the weld by rinsing in hot or cold water. No traces of flux should remain on the weld. It will cause corrosion after completion of the weld. 17. Inspect for weld defects. 18. As the end of the joint is approached, reduce the blowpipe and filler rod angle
and raise the inner cone. This is done to avoid burn through of the joint.
Let's study the stepwise skill sequence for learning execution of this work. The objective of this session is to help you prepare and weld square butt joint on aluminium sheet of 3 mm thickness. Step 1. While preparing square edges, make notches on the edges to be joined. Figure 1. Since setting a strict neutral flame is difficult, a very slightly carburizing flame is set for welding aluminium. Step 2. While using leftward technique, the blowpipe angle will be reduced gradually as the welding progresses. Figure 2.
3. As there is no color when aluminium melts, watch carefully for any shrinking of oxide film on the surface of the base metal, which indicates the starting of base metal melting. Let's have a brief summary of this session. 1. The session began with introduction and clarifying the objectives. 2. Then after the requirements, including tools, formalities, and PPE required to carry out this work has been discussed. 3. Finally, we discussed the stepwise skill sequence.
Objectives: creating a square butt joint on a 3 mm thick aluminium sheet in the flat position using Oxy-Acetylene Welding OAW-20 involves specific objectives aimed at achieving a strong, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing weld. Here are the main objectives for this welding process. 1. To ensure joint alignment and squareness. 2. To achieve proper penetration and fusion. 3. To maintain weld integrity and strength. 4. To prevent defects and imperfections. 5. To minimize distortion and residual stresses. 6. To control heat input and heat affected zone HAZ. 7. To promote even filler metal distribution. 8. To adhere to safety and quality standards. 9. To control and optimize weld-based characteristics. 10. To minimize metallurgical changes. By focusing on these objectives, a welder can produce a high-quality square butt joint on a 3 mm thick aluminium sheet in the flat position using Oxy-Acetylene Welding OAW-20. Meeting these objectives ensures a strong, durable, and reliable welded joint suitable for its intended application. With this, we conclude this session regarding the aluminium welding process.